You can now generate beautiful blog post cover images and beautiful, well-designed and relevant inline blog posts, custom images throughout your article for completely free using WordRocket. So to use this feature, just head back over to your dashboard and we're going to use the all-in-one SEO Generator 2.0. Now we've made a significant improvement in this template. Before, you'd have to go ahead and enter your own OpenAI API to generate images. Now we are bearing the cost of images and allowing you to generate images for completely free. So all you have to do is start the setup as you usually would do so. Let's enter in a blog post topic in which we like to write about. For this example, our blog post topic is how to grow mangoes in our backyard. We're going to use the Claude Sonnet 4 model. We're going to increase this to about 3,400. Let's go ahead and include an element, HTML element, and we're going to generate, let's generate 3 images. And we're also going to generate a cover image. So again, as you can see here, the biggest change is that you do not have the ability to enter in your API key because we do that for you. And then just go ahead and click generate content. Now, once you click that, your content is going to be generated in the background. So another huge update is that you don't have to wait on this screen for it to generate. You can go back and start generating content on different templates, or you can go ahead and generate another article using this template. And once the article is finished, you can find it in the My Content section here. So if you go over to My Content and we go click View, we can see that the content is being generated in the background. But once the content is finished, you can simply go ahead and click View Content. And as you can see here, you will be able to see the content with your images. Head down to Markdown and copy over the Markdown and paste that into Markdown to HTML or paste that into your website, and the images will automatically be embedded and entered into your content. So isn't that amazing? You can now generate all of your content with your text and your images all within WordRocket. So again, here's another example. You get a beautiful cover image, so age spots versus skin tags, and again, how to make your own shawarma. And this is a beautiful image that we're getting back here. So you don't have to waste time to create a cover image. You can do that all at once and then simply upload that onto your website. Now, what you can do in the meanwhile, you can actually go ahead and generate another piece of content. So let's say we wanted to write on another topic. For this example, the blog post topic will be how to start a Google Ads agency. And again, we're going to paste that in there, use Sonnet 4. And then we are going to keep the settings the same and click Generate SEO Content with Images. Like that, it is so easy to now generate optimized, in-depth, engaging SEO content with custom images embedded with your sitemap, which means you're going to get custom internal links. And also, if you choose to get a custom HTML element, you'll also get that included within your article. The all-in-one SEO Generator 2.0 with images is currently free for all users, but within the next couple of days, it'll only be free for paid users because every single call we have to pay because we use the highest quality OpenAI GPT images call. So it costs us every single time you create images. So it's only going to be for paid users, but even at $10 per month, it's an absolute steal to get all these features in one place. I do not know of another app that you can pay $10 a month and get all of the features that we have in WordRocket. It's much more affordable. It's much more affordable compared to other competitors. And also the quality of the content is really, really high. And we're constantly working to improve that quality and give you new features that allow you to create the best possible content. Within your monthly subscription, you also get access to this brand new template, which is a content analyzer, which allows you to enter in URLs. We'll scrape those URLs for you and then create a super prompt based upon the top ranked blog post to allow you to then outrank your competitors based upon data. So again, a lot of really, really cool features. Now let's head back over to the My Content section. Let's see if the images and if the articles are finished. Now keep in mind, because you're generating about 3 to 4 images and an article, it's going to take you a couple of minutes. So have some patience. It usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes to finish the complete generation because we generate the text, then we generate the image prompts, then we use the image prompts to generate the actual images themselves, and then we embed them all into the page. So the article, How to Grow Mangoes in My Backyard, has been finished completing. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So again, just go ahead and click View Content. How to Grow Mangoes in My Backyard, your complete tropical paradise. Sometimes when you hit the preview, it looks a little bit weird like this. You can't see everything fully. That's okay. Just go ahead and copy over the markdown and paste that onto a Google Sheet or mark it into HTML or your actual website, and you'll be able to see how everything looks. So this is what the preview will look like. Now again, let's go ahead and just copy over the markdown for you guys, and I'll show you what it'll actually look like on your website. So again, just copy over the markdown and just click paste. And as you can see, you get a beautiful article here with your images already embedded. So how to grow mangoes in my backyard, your complete guide to tropical paradise. Picture this, you're sipping your morning coffee and step outside to pluck a perfectly ripe golden mango. Whether you live in Florida, blah, 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 learning how to grow mangoes in your backyard can transform your outdoor space to a tropical oasis. Mango growing timeline, right? And as you can see here, everything looks great. The text on the images look great. This is a very, very relevant image as well. Let's go ahead and scroll down. We also have custom internal links baked in throughout the articles as well. So you can see that this is a complete article. There's nothing missing from this article. There's tables, there's lists, internal links. Let's go ahead and scroll down some more. We get another image here. And sometimes this is a flaw of GPT images, is that sometimes the images, the text are a little bit out of place or they get kind of cut off. I am working on improving our prompt, but right now it's just a limitation with GPT images. And again, if we scroll down here, we can see we had a custom doc type HTML. So if I wanted to, let's go ahead and copy this over. Mango growing timeline calculator. So a type of tree, climate zone, care level, planting date, and you can generate a timeline of how long it will take you to expect when your fruits will bear from your mango tree. Amazing, right? So again, internal links, but you also get custom HTML elements and baked in images. I think we chose 3 images. So this is our last image here. This is a beautiful image, right? These mangoes look great. It looks very, very realistic. The human hand looks really good. Goes so well with the actual article itself. So I think we chose 3 images. So, and if you scroll into the end, you will see the image prompts. You can go ahead and use that or remove it, whatever you would like to do. But if we scroll up here, we can see that we get all of these images embedded. We get all of our internal links and our HTML element with just one click using WordRocket. Now let's head back over to WordRocket and see if the other article, which is how to start a Google Ads agency, is finished. So it looks like it is. Let's go ahead and view the content. How to start a Google Ads agency. It is a little bit cut off there. That is a little bit annoying. I understand. We will be working on our prompts and seeing how we can make sure that GPT images do not make this mistake. Your complete guide to building a profitable digital marketing business, and business is spelled wrong. So of course, there are some imperfections with the AI images, but again, I will improve our prompts to make sure that does not happen to you. Key takeaways. So starting a Google Ads agency might seem like climbing Mount Everest. Key takeaways, agency growth timeline. So solo consultant, growing agency, small team, full agency, and everything on this image looks really good. All the text looks good. So you can see it's not a consistent issue. It is an issue that happens sporadically. Let's scroll down here. Market size. Again, we get our internal links. So that's 2 images. I think we have one more image. So agency pricing models, percentage base, flat retainer, or performance base. And again, look, this looks beautiful right here. We get some more HTML here and Google Ads startup cost calculator. If we scroll down again, we get our nice internal links. We get our tables, and that should be it. Oh, there's one more images. So search, display, video, and shopping. Again, this image is beautiful, right? Google Ads certification pathway. Like, this is a beautiful custom image that goes really, really well with the article that we're creating. And then we get another internal link there, and then we get our image prompts and our SEO meta information. So as you can see, guys, WordRocket is improving. We're upgrading, but we're not increasing the price, and you are actually getting more out of what you're paying for. So I definitely recommend checking out the all-in-one SEO Generator 2.0. You can generate images for free, and it's very, very easy to use. And if you do like it, consider upgrading. So when we do only allow this for premium members, you can use it for yourself. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by giving us a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Again, if you'd like to use my tool, head over to app.wordrocket.ai. Take care.